Look, fellas, if you're over 40, there's a good chance you've already done this without realizing it. You used something cheap, sitting in your kitchen right now thinking it was harmless, maybe even helpful, and nobody ever warned you what it could actually do to your body long term. Here's the uncomfortable part. I've seen men wreck their digestion, stress their heart, and quietly sabotage their hormones with this one simple habit. Not overnight, slowly, quietly. The kind of damage that doesn't hurt right away, but shows up years later as low energy, poor sleep, stubborn belly fat, and performance issues you can't explain. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo, and I specialize in men's health, specifically helping men over 40 get their energy back, optimize hormones, improve sexual performance, and protect their long-term health. And I want to be clear about something right up front. I'm not here to scare you, sell hype, or push internet trends. I work with real men every single week, guys with demanding jobs, families, stress, bad sleep, and bodies that don't bounce back like they used to. Over the years, I've seen how small, harmless habits quietly stack up and start working against you. Baking soda is one of those things that looks innocent on the surface, but once you understand what it actually does inside a 40-plus male body, you realize why so many men feel stuck, sluggish, and frustrated without knowing why. My job is to connect those dots for you. Here's what we're going to cover today. First, I'm going to explain why baking soda suddenly becomes a much bigger deal after 40, and why your body doesn't handle it the same way it did when you were younger. Then I'll break down the biggest mistakes men make with it, especially when it comes to digestion, acid reflux, and gut health. We'll talk about how it can quietly interfere with hormones and energy, and why that matters more than most guys realize. I'm also going to walk you through a real-world patient story that perfectly shows how this sneaks up on men who think they're doing something healthy. And stay with me until the end, because I'll share what actually works instead. Simple, smarter alternatives most men have never been told about, including something even a lot of doctors overlook. When you're younger, your body is incredibly forgiving. Your stomach acid is strong, your kidneys filter efficiently, your hormones recover faster, and your systems adapt on the fly. You can eat junk, sleep poorly, throw random health hacks at your body, and still feel mostly fine. But after 40, the margin for error gets a lot smaller. Think of your body like a high-performance engine. In your 20s and 30s, that engine has brand new parts and plenty of fuel. After 40, the engine still works, but it needs the right inputs. Baking soda is a perfect example of something that seems helpful on the surface, but can mess with the engine if you don't understand how it works. Baking soda is alkaline. Most men hear that and immediately think, alkaline equals good, acid equals bad. That idea has been floating around the internet for years, so guys start using baking soda for heartburn, digestion, workouts, even general detox ideas. Sounds logical, right? Here's the problem. Your stomach is supposed to be acidic. That acid isn't a flaw, it's a feature. It helps break down protein, absorb minerals like zinc and magnesium, kill harmful bacteria, and trigger hormone-related signaling in the gut. As men age, stomach acid naturally declines. Stress, poor sleep, medications, alcohol, and ultra-processed food all push it even lower. Now imagine pouring baking soda on top of that. You're basically putting a mute button on one of the most important systems in your body. This is where men get confused. They feel reflux, bloating, heaviness after meals, and they assume they have too much acid. In reality, most men over 40 have too little acid. The food sits there longer, ferments, creates pressure, and that pressure pushes acid upward, causing heartburn. So they neutralize the acid with baking soda and feel temporary relief, but underneath, the real problem gets worse. And this doesn't just affect digestion. Poor digestion leads to poor nutrient absorption. Poor nutrient absorption affects testosterone, thyroid function, energy production, and even libido. This is how small habits quietly turn into big problems. The reason this sneaks up on men is because baking soda works at first. It gives fast relief, no prescription, no warning label, no immediate downside. But the long-term impact is subtle, slow, and cumulative, exactly the kind of thing that hits men in their 40s and 50s and leaves them saying, "I don't feel terrible, but I don't feel right either." First, baking soda can worsen low stomach acid, the real root of most digestive issues. Here's the deal. Most men think heartburn means too much stomach acid. That's almost never the case after 40. In reality, most of you have too little stomach acid. Your stomach acid is like the ignition spark in an engine. If it's weak, food doesn't break down properly. Protein sits there, carbs ferment, gas builds up, pressure rises, and that pressure pushes acid upward into your chest. That's the burn. So what do most guys do? They grab baking soda to neutralize the acid. And yes, it gives short-term relief. But internally, you just weaken digestion even more. Why does this matter after 40? Because low stomach acid means poor absorption of zinc, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, all critical for testosterone, energy, and muscle maintenance. Real-life example. A guy eats steak and potatoes, feels heavy, bloated, tired afterward, and pops baking soda. He thinks he fixed the issue. In reality, he just made the next meal harder to digest. What most men think works, neutralizing acid. What actually works, improving digestion at the source. If digestion is off, baking soda is like silencing a smoke alarm instead of putting out the fire. Second, baking soda can quietly drain your energy levels. Let's talk energy, because this is where men really feel it. Energy doesn't come from calories alone. It comes from nutrient absorption and efficient cellular metabolism. When digestion is compromised, your cells don't get what they need to make energy properly. Baking soda alters stomach pH and electrolyte balance. Over time, that can interfere with sodium, potassium, and hydration balance, especially if you're already sweating, exercising, or drinking coffee. After 40, your kidneys don't adapt as quickly. Your adrenal system doesn't bounce back as fast. That means small disruptions hit harder. I see this all the time. Guys say, "Doc, I sleep okay, I eat decent, but I'm wiped by mid-afternoon." They don't connect it to digestion or little habits like baking soda use. What most men think, fatigue is just aging. What's really happening, inefficient fuel delivery at the cellular level. Energy loss is rarely dramatic. It's slow. You don't crash, you fade. Third, it can interfere with testosterone and hormone signaling. This is the part most men never hear. Your gut is directly tied to hormone regulation. Testosterone production depends on proper absorption of fats, minerals, and amino acids. It also depends on healthy gut signaling and inflammation control. When digestion is impaired, inflammation increases. When inflammation increases, testosterone drops. It's that simple. Baking soda doesn't directly kill testosterone, but by weakening digestion and altering gut chemistry, it contributes to the conditions that lower it. After 40, testosterone is already trending downward. You don't need extra friction in the system. Everyday example. A guy eats clean, lifts weights, but his labs still show borderline testosterone. Meanwhile, digestion is sluggish, stools are inconsistent, and bloating is normal to him. That's not separate, that's connected. What most men think works, lifting heavier or taking random supplements. What actually works, fixing digestion so hormones can do their job. Hormones don't exist in isolation. They respond to the environment you create inside your body. Fourth, baking soda can mask symptoms instead of solving the problem. This is one of the most dangerous parts. Symptoms are signals, they're feedback. When you constantly suppress them, you lose valuable information. Heartburn, bloating, indigestion, those are clues that something upstream isn't working. Baking soda shuts the signal off temporarily, but the dysfunction remains. After 40, masking symptoms is risky because problems compound faster. Poor digestion today becomes nutrient deficiencies tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes fatigue, muscle loss, low libido, and weight gain. I tell patients this all the time. Relief is not the same as repair. What most men think, if it feels better, it must be better. Reality: many problems feel better right before they get worse. Short-term comfort can come at the cost of long-term performance. Fifth, it can disrupt gut bacteria balance over time. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that regulate immunity, inflammation, and metabolism. They thrive in specific conditions, especially proper acidity. When you repeatedly neutralize stomach acid, you change which bacteria survive. That opens the door for overgrowth, gas, bloating, and inconsistent bowel habits. After 40, gut resilience declines. Antibiotic history, stress, alcohol, and poor sleep already strain the system. Baking soda adds another layer of disruption. Real-world sign: men who say, "My digestion has just been off for years." That's not random, that's accumulated imbalance. What most men think, probiotics alone will fix it. What actually works? Restoring the environment those bacteria need to function. You don't plant a garden and then poison the soil. Sixth, why athletes and active men get hit harder. This one surprises a lot of guys. Men who work out, sweat, and push their bodies often think baking soda helps performance or recovery. In reality, it can disrupt electrolyte balance if used casually. After 40, recovery already takes longer. Muscles are more sensitive to hydration and mineral balance. Baking soda shifts sodium dynamics in a way that can leave you feeling flat instead of strong. You might notice weaker pumps, slower recovery, or feeling off after workouts without knowing why. What most men think: they need more stimulation. What they actually need: better internal balance. Performance is built on stability, not hacks. Seventh, why this matters more now than ever. Here's the bottom line: after 40, your body stops tolerating shortcuts. Everything becomes more interconnected. Digestion affects hormones. Hormones affect energy. Energy affects motivation. Motivation affects consistency. Baking soda looks harmless because it's common. But common doesn't mean appropriate. The real danger isn't one use, it's habitual use without understanding the downstream effects. And the men who suffer most are the ones trying to do the right thing without the full picture. Mark was 52 years old, married, 2 kids, solid career, worked out 3 to 4 times a week. On paper, he was doing everything right. But he came in frustrated. His main complaints were low energy in the afternoons, stubborn belly fat that wouldn't budge, declining libido, and this constant bloated, heavy feeling after meals. He also had on and off heartburn that he managed himself. When I asked what he was doing for the heartburn, he casually said, "Oh, I just use baking soda and water. Been doing that for years. Works great." That right there was a red flag. We dug deeper. Mark was eating plenty of protein, lifting weights, sleeping okay, but his digestion was sluggish. His labs showed low normal testosterone, low zinc, and signs of poor nutrient absorption. Nothing dramatic, just enough to keep him feeling mediocre. Here's what was happening. The baking soda was giving him short-term relief, while quietly weakening his digestion long-term. His stomach acid was already low, and he was neutralizing what little he had left. Food wasn't breaking down properly. Nutrients weren't getting absorbed. Hormones weren't getting what they needed. I didn't tell him to tough it out or ignore symptoms. We addressed the root cause. We worked on meal timing, protein digestion, stress around eating, and smarter ways to support his gut instead of shutting it down. Within a few weeks, his bloating dropped significantly. His energy stopped crashing in the afternoon. Over the next few months, his libido improved, workouts felt stronger, and his labs moved in the right direction. Myth number 1. Heartburn means I have too much stomach acid. This myth exists because the sensation is burning, so people assume excess acid is the cause. In younger people, that can sometimes be true. But in men over 40, it's usually the opposite. Low stomach acid causes food to sit too long, pressure builds, and acid gets pushed where it doesn't belong. Neutralizing acid with baking soda treats the sensation, not the cause. Over time, it makes digestion weaker, not stronger. Myth number 2. Baking soda is natural, so it's safe to use regularly. Yes, baking soda is natural, so is poison ivy. Natural doesn't mean appropriate for daily internal use. This myth sticks around because baking soda is cheap, common, and gives fast relief. But regular use changes stomach pH, disrupts gut bacteria, and alters mineral balance. That's not harmless, especially in a body that's already aging. Myth number 3. If it works for now, it's fine. This is the most dangerous one. Men are problem solvers. If something reduces symptoms, they assume it's helping. But biology doesn't work on immediate feedback alone. Many health issues feel manageable right up until the system breaks down. By the time fatigue, low libido, or metabolic issues show up, the damage has been building for years. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Most men don't need to suppress symptoms. They need to understand them. When you fix digestion, heartburn often resolves on its own. When digestion improves, hormones follow. And when hormones improve, energy, confidence, and performance come back online. First, most men over 40 don't have too much stomach acid. They have too little. Using baking soda weakens digestion instead of fixing it. Second, poor digestion leads to poor nutrient absorption, and that directly impacts your energy, recovery, and daily stamina. Third, digestion and hormones are tightly connected. When the gut struggles, testosterone and metabolic health take a hit. Fourth, baking soda masks symptoms instead of solving the root problem, which lets issues quietly stack up over time. Fifth, regular use can disrupt gut bacteria and mineral balance, especially in an aging body. Sixth, active men often feel the effects even more through weaker workouts, slower recovery, and feeling off without knowing why. The big takeaway is this: after 40, shortcuts stop working. What feels like a small habit can have outsized consequences if you don't understand the physiology behind it. Now, if you're a guy over 40 and this is starting to hit a little close to home, here's what I want you to do next. First, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel, because this is exactly the kind of stuff I break down every week. Real health information for men without the nonsense. Second, drop a comment below and tell me this. Have you ever used baking soda for heartburn or digestion, and did it actually fix the problem long term? I read those comments, and it helps me know what you're dealing with. And if you want a smarter approach, check the description below. I've put together a free guide specifically for men over 40 that walks you through how to support digestion, hormones, and energy the right way. No guesswork, no extremes. Grab it while it's there, because this is foundational stuff. If you're still watching, I want you to hear this. You're not broken, and you're not failing at aging. Your body is just asking for better information and smarter inputs. Small changes, made with the right understanding, can completely shift how you feel in your 40s, 50s, and beyond. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. If this message resonated with you, take it as a sign, not that something is wrong with you, but that your body is ready for a better strategy. You don't have to guess your way through aging, and you don't have to accept feeling less than as normal. With the right understanding, you can feel strong, sharp, and confident again. I'm Dr. Rosalia Viterbo. Take care of your health, respect your body's signals, and I'll see you in the next video.